Hello, welcome to my channel. So I'm going to be doing a video of how to start an airline. This is going to be a couple part series, so this is part 1. So the key to starting an airline is, well, aircraft. Now, you can get a couple different aircraft. I have decided to get, I was looking at this 737-400. The main reason why is because you can lease it. Now, leasing has a very small upfront cost, and so that way your starting cost isn't as much if you buy used aircraft. So, yeah. This is pretty good. It's got a little over 46,000 hours. It's pretty good shape. It's a 1993 Boeing 737-400. My guess is it flew with Malaysia, or that's just a picture that they found. But yeah. So, yeah, that's just a quick video for how to start an airline part 1.